What's up? Welcome to Jinked Inked. I'm Courtney, and today we're going to talk about overhead rigs. So, I like to do different art projects and stuff and doing drawings, and when I recorded a couple, and the way I did it was I just set up the tripod on the desk and I tried to angle it to where the legs were out of the shot, but it was very cumbersome and it was hard to get good movement with my arms because the legs were in the way. And so if I want to continue doing some draw videos, I felt like I needed to invest in some kind of overhead rig. But all the ones that you see online for film are pretty pricey, and when you want to do something on a budget, sometimes it's hard to find something. I watched different YouTube videos and suggestions, and some were pretty cool, but none of them met my exact requirements that I wanted for style or functionality. So I decided to make my own. And that's exactly what this channel is about, being creative, coming up with different solutions, and just really using your creativity to express yourself. And I love to create stuff. I love to build stuff and do different DIY projects. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the materials. You can build this set for under 40 bucks. The way I made this is I had some scrap wood lying around, and I was already staining some bookshelves and other things, so I had a stain too that I liked. So sometimes you can find you have little things on hand that you can use to help you create something. And when you don't, I mean, you can go to the local hardware supply stores or whatever and pick up this stuff for around 40 bucks. But I went ahead and got some pipes, some wood, and I made my own thing, and I picked up a rig to hold the camera because I wanted it to be versatile and me be able to take it on and off when I wanted to. But anyways, thank you for watching, and until next time, be kind, stay positive, and keep creating.